All right. Hey guys. I'm Jonah Chambers. I'm here with Devin O'Dedro. We are here presenting our Capstone project, codenamed Hephaestus. This is going to be a kind of deep dive into our existing function. So our existing function is used for people who already have their Terraform scripts built. Either the infrastructure is already made and you want to destroy it, or you have a script and you want to deploy it. This makes the process much quicker. So what we're going to do though is we're just going to demonstrate the destroy, since it's kind of the same as the create an existing script, excuse me. So what we're going to do is show what we have built in our Azure. And I'll get Devin to carry that out here.
For sure. For this demonstration, we're just going to be showing what I have built up in my Azure account. These are just some demo things. So I have a VM running, I have some security groups, a virtual WAN in there, a storage account, and some public IPs. So these are all things that I've created in my resource group and my account. And with the Terraform, with Hephaestus, we will now be able to delete everything. So with doing that, when actually creating this, we used our Hephaestus application to create this. And in doing that, it created a main Terraform file when deploying the IT infrastructure. So what Hephaestus is actually going to do is that it's actually going to go through the main Terraform code and delete everything that was previously created. So I will do a little demonstration. So now let's run Hephaestus and actually go through how we will destroy the infrastructure. So when running Hephaestus, we will be brought to you by our main menu. From there, you will choose Azure as a provider. And in the destroy function, it is actually in our existing. So then we go through and pick the existing function. Azure actually uses web authentication. So this will create the environment and the directories needed for Hephaestus to run. Here, I will be selecting the directory, which I previously made when creating that IT infrastructure. So here it's the demo bit, and as you can see, we have files that are inside that folder. So it will go through that. And so with picking that, all I will need to do now is click destroy. Jonah, do you want to add anything? Or?
Yeah, so after it I just want to make a quick note. Just after it destroys, it will prompt to ask if you want to delete the folder. Unfortunately, we are still debugging why that's not working. Not a big issue, but it's just something to point out. Another thing is all of the Terraform init, validate, and run is done through Python. We just created our own prompt instead of like, are you sure you want to do this? But yeah, that's all I really wanted to add. Fire away. Let's destroy it. So as you can see, Terraform initialized. And it will begin destroying momentarily here.
Yeah, so as you can see, it is planning to destroy 14 different pieces of infrastructure that we have created.
Yeah.
And that is what is created using Hephaestus. So it's very fast for a technician to go through and destroy whatever infrastructure that they don't need anymore rather than manually doing it. And because of this, we think we will give technicians that work for MSPs more time to work on other tasks at hand.
Yeah. So as you can see here, the process is complete. Everything is destroyed for this function. Unfortunately, right now, there is still a bit of an issue where we cannot actually delete the folders. It would run into an error. So we're just going to click no for now. Yeah. We're going to keep the folder. But Devin's now going to show you Azure and just show that everything was destroyed.
Yeah, so as you can see in our terminal, it did successfully destroy all 14 things that it showed it was going to. So now I will just go into Azure and demonstrate that it was actually destroyed. So as you can see, the whole resource group is destroyed, and as well as that, anything that was attached to that resource group. So that was like the virtual WAN, the VM, and everything else attached to it. So the destroy function was successful. And we just wanted to thank you guys for watching this video, and we hope you enjoyed.
Yep, thank you.